let the last call goodness continue. Dodge has announced the next member of its long goodbye party for the Challenger and Charger. Meet the 2023 Dodge Charger Super Bee. Here, Dodge is starting with a Charger Scat Pack and transforming it into a modern-day homage to the 1971 Charger that bore the same buzzworthy name. This is a car that burnt up drag strips and maybe saw some streetlight to streetlight action back in the day. The 2023 version is prepped for the same thing. Like the Challenger Shakedown we mentioned earlier, the Charger Super Bee will be available as a limited edition model, and that number is once again 1,000 copies. Dodge will produce 500 B5 Blue Charger Scat Pack Super Bees and 500 Plum Crazy Charger Scat Pack Widebody Super Bees. Oh my goodness, that is a very long thing to say. Each version gets the Plus Group treatment as well as the carbon and suede package. Dodge then adds in Super Bee badging on the grille and fenders, Super Bee graphics on the hood scoop and rear fenders, a Super Bee badge on the instrument panel, and Super Bee logos in the seat backs, just so you do not forget what you are driving. Dodge upgrades this one a step more than it did the Shakedown though, because it wants to see these at the drag strip. To that end, the Charger Super Bee gets a set of drag radials. If it's the standard body Scat Pack car, you'll find 20 by 9.5 inch wheels wearing 275 series drag radials. Over on the wide body, you'll find 18 by 11 inch drag wheels with 315 series drag meets. These cars are also fitted with drag mode through the adaptive damping suspension. There's a blacked out hood pin kit that works well with the SRT hood. Out back, you'll find a set of SRT black exhaust tips, and then a punch of color at the corners via the red calipers of the 4-piston Brembo brakes. You're going to want to slow down. Dodge isn't saying exactly how quick the car will be in the quarter mile, just that the drag radials ensure low trap times. Considering it's about a 12-second car on normal tires, maybe a little higher than that, those drag radials could push it right down into the 11-second range. Pretty awesome for a non-Hellcat powered machine. Like I said in the prior video, I imagine we keep climbing up the performance ladder as these keep rolling out. I wouldn't be surprised if these last call models get a bit more wild as we learn more about each one. See, I did say that. We've now seen 2 of the 7. What do you think Dodge has in store for the other 5?